Folks, from the flight deck right now, we are number 2 for takeoff. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for departure. 4 hours and 22 minutes en route to Los Angeles. LAX weather conditions, scattered clouds, 58 degrees, 75, partly cloudy now here in Atlanta. Very special welcome aboard to the men and women of our armed forces. We appreciate your service to our country, and we're proud of who you are, proud of what you do, and we are honored to have you on board. Welcome. Again, we're number 2 now for takeoff. Welcome aboard.
Want a race? No? Didn't think so. McDonnell Douglas MD-88. We're inside a Boeing 757-200, my all-time favorite aircraft. There's another McDonnell Douglas. If you look over there, that's a Boeing 767 over there. Very nice. Oh look, another Boeing 757-200. Awesome. That's the exact kind of play we're in right now. Boeing 737. There's downtown Atlanta way over there. Anytime now. Oh, here we go.
members for the continued loyalty. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened around the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Remember to use caution when opening overhead bins without opening your shifted during takeoff. For your safety and the safety of the flight attendants, please keep the aisle clear of potential trip hazards such as back traps or feet throughout the duration of our flight. Federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight. Information on approved electronic devices can be found in the Sky magazine located in your seat pocket. We've now reached 10,000 feet and you have access to a variety of free entertainment through Delta Studio. Delta now offers free mobile messaging so you can stay connected while on board. To start messaging, connect to the Wi-Fi portal, select free messaging path. The award earbuds are available on today's flight. Please notify a flight attendant if you would like to purchase a pair for a small charge of $2. In just a few minutes, we'll be starting our service. We're excited to serve a variety of branded snacks, Coca-Cola beverages, and Starbucks coffee. If you would like an adult beverage, ask about craft beers, wine selections, or one of our signature cocktails for a small charge. Our flight fuel menu featuring premium snacks for purchase is available on today's flight. A full list of products offered can be found in the Sky magazine. Just before arrival into Los Angeles, we'll offer another round of beverages with complimentary snacks. You'll save 20% and earn double miles when you use your Delta SkyMiles credit card from American Express. As a reminder, we accept debit credit cards only. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the remainder of this 4-hour and 22-minute flight to Los Angeles.
back to Los Angeles. All we just need to do is land.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to Los Angeles. For the local time, it's 4:33 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carrying items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain's turned off the seatbelt sign. Use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injury from that may have shifted during flight. You may now use your mobile devices before you leave the aircraft. Be sure to check your seat pocket, the overhead bins, and the floor area around your seat for any personal items you brought on board. We invite you to visit Delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your Sky Miles count. On behalf of Delta, the Sky team, and our global partners, and especially this Los Angeles and Atlanta-based flight crew, thank you for sharing your journey with us. We've enjoyed having you on board and look forward to serving you again soon. Have a wonderful afternoon.